In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo in Brevo, all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're rebranding, updating your design, or simply want a fresh look, changing your logo is a straightforward process that you can easily handle yourself. First off, open your preferred web browser and head over to Brevo's website. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the process can flow smoothly without interruptions. Once you've arrived at Brevo's homepage, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your login credentials and ensure you have the necessary permissions to make design changes. If you're having trouble logging in, double-check your details or consider resetting your password. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the right area. Find and click on the Campaigns tab in the main menu. From there, drop down to Settings and subsequently to Default Settings. This section is where all the magic happens in terms of design customizations for your campaigns. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this area, as it holds various options that can impact how your brand is visually represented. Now, let's find the Design settings, which is where we will change the logo. Click on the Design tab. This tab is specifically for visual tweaks and will lead you straight to the elements that shape your brand's appearance. Here, you should spot the current logo positioned conspicuously. Click on it to initiate the change process. Upon clicking the current logo, search for an option that says Replace Image. This is a handy tool that allows you to select a different image to become your new logo. You have two choices here. You can either upload a brand new image from your device or choose one from the images you've already uploaded. When selecting an image, ensure it's high quality and properly represents your brand. Pay attention to image dimensions as well, since logos that are too large or small may not display optimally. After deciding on your new logo, don't forget the final, crucial step. Click Save. This action will confirm and apply your changes. Make sure you see a confirmation message indicating your changes have been successful. This is an essential final step because neglecting to save your changes would mean your efforts could potentially be lost and your logo will remain unchanged. And there you have it, a quick, easy way to change your logo in Brevo. This small adjustment can have a significant impact on your branding, making your campaigns look more professional and polished. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.